Hello students, welcome back to your maths class again. Today I will discuss the new unit, that is calculus, with you, and this is the unit which is containing maximum weightage of your board exam. So again students, I will tell you, this is very important unit for your examination point of view. So in this unit, first of all we will discuss the differentiation. Okay, actually differentiation we have studied in class 11, the basic concept of it. Again I will recap a little bit. What is actually differentiation? Differentiation is a process, students, to find out the derivative of a function. Okay, and what is derivative? Derivative is nothing but it is a value of a function, or you can say a finite value. Okay, or you can say the value of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. So students, actually what is derivative? It is the finite value of a function, or you can say the value of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable, that is dy by dx, or you can say for what function? Y is equal to fx. It means when there is a slight change in independent variable x, then there will be definitely a small change, instantaneous change in the dependent variable y. So actually what is the derivative of a function? It is nothing but it is an instantaneous rate of change in dependent variable, that is y, okay, with respect to independent variable, that is x, and that is denoted mathematically by limit x tends to 0 delta y upon delta x. It means when there is a slight change in independent variable, that is x, there is a little bit change in x, then there will be also a little change in dependent variable y, and this limiting value of y is with respect to x is represented by or denoted by dy of dx, or you can say d dx of y. Many times you can write this as d dy of d dx of y. It means derivative of dependent variable y with respect to dependent variable x. Here d by dx is called differential operator. So students, if somebody will ask you that what is differentiation, so differentiation is simply a process, and derivative is a value, and the value is nothing but the value of the dependent variable, instantaneous value of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable. I will give you some examples of daily life. Student, you know that we need energy to do the work, and for energy we need food. So here you can say that there are two things, food and energy. Okay, so energy is a function of food. It means you can say that energy is depending on the food we eat. Okay, it means it is dependent variable and this is independent variable. So here you can say that we will get energy when we will eat food. So similarly, another option of physics, you can say that distance and time. Distance and time. Okay, students, you know that distance covered by a person or body with respect to time always. It means as the time increases, the distance will change itself. It means distance is all depending on the time. It means it is distance is here dependent variable and time is independent variable. It means you can say that we have a formula there, that is the formula of velocity. When there is a slight change in time and there is a slight change in displacement with respect to time, then we call it as a velocity. So you can say that here distance is dependent variable and time is independent variable. So if there is a slight change in distance with respect to change in time, then that is called derivative of distance with respect to time, and that is nothing but velocity. So this is the basic concept of differentiation, or you can say derivative of a function. Okay student, now in our 12th class we have already removed out that chapter, that is continuity and differentiability. So we will start with differentiation of composite function by the use of chain rule, and similarly differentiation of inverse trigonometric function, differentiation of logarithmic function, and also exponential function, differentiation of a function with respect to another function, differentiation of implicit function, and differentiation of similarly another functions which are composite. So we will take later. Okay, thank you.